Saturday, November the 9th, I think, isn't it? 2024, 12 o'clock. Mid to upper 60s, going to the low 70s. South Cobb Drive, heading south from Concord. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. We've got over 3,100 videos in all different categories: drone, underwater videos, wildlife, nature, driving, what else? Product reviews, human interest. All sorts of stuff. Comedy, night videos, rain videos, river, swamp videos, snake videos. All kind of stuff. Anything from short videos to videos that are over an hour long. Auto repair videos. Rain videos, silent videos, driving through cities, small towns, dirt roads, U.S. highways, national parks, state parks, campsites. Head into Atlanta and then out of Atlanta on the probably east side, I think. We could end up taking A285 across, but I think we're going to go through Atlanta. We're recording with the S22 Ultra right now. We'll probably switch over to the Osmo Black 10. Do that. Well, I'm going to say when we get inside 285, because the roads are going to be a lot rougher, and the image stabilization on this mirror mount is not that. This mirror mount is a lot more shaky, and the phone has a hard time with the image stabilization. So we'll probably switch over either to the dash camera or the GoPro Black 10. To get dash camera as a Pruvio, we'll probably switch over to it. Pruvio, 4 channels. Got front, left, right side, and rear. Looky there, downtown Atlanta. You see the BOA tower and a bunch of other things that I don't recognize. East-west connector. Cumberland Parkway to the left, east-west connector to the right. We're going to continue on South Cobb Drive, and like I said, we may switch over. I would like to use, I upload from the phones directly, whereas if I'm using the other cameras, I've got to download them to the computer, edit them, and then upload them. It's a lot more work involved. Let's cut it off until we get the green light. We gotta find us something to eat too. We're hungry. go through town and go to the varsity. I just don't particularly want a varsity today. You better be careful crossing that road, lady. These people will run over you and not even slow down. Coming up on 285, we'll be going inside the perimeter, ITP. Let's cut it off, we'll start another one.